Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. Today we are off to Hong Kong. Yay! This is my niece Phoebe and my mum in the background. So Phoebe says she wants to take over the vlog on this trip, is that correct?
Yes.
So she's going to be doing some vlogging. These are my new Key Australia blue light blocking glasses. Do you like them? But yeah, so we are just waiting for our taxi to take us to the airport and we'll be on our way. Bees, do you want to say anything?
Press the subscribe button.
Press the subscribe button. Subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, press the subscribe button. Thumbs up if you want Phoebe to start a channel of her own. Do you want to start your own channel?
Yes.
What would you call it?
I will call it
They're waiting.
I have no idea.
Okay, you have a think and then we can tell them later, okay?
Okay.
Alright, see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, we are now at the airport. Bees behind me in her little chunky. So, glasses have just arrived and we are going to go and check in. I keep moving these glasses, they keep hitting my lashes. But anyway, check in, get some food and get ready for flight.
We are in the middle of the city.
We are in Wagamama's. Food is here. Mum is here looking beautiful. She had a haircut.
Yeah, your food's coming, your rice is coming. I'll just be quiet.
We were getting stressed.
Here, baby, try it.
We're vlogging.
Yeah.
Yeah, my favourite chili squid.
It's ready.
We have made it on the plane after the last hour, which was a little bit stressful. But we are all here.
Hello.
And just getting ready and comfy to fly to Hong Kong.
You're gonna fly.
Like literally last hour has been stressful with everything, and I can explain it when we get to Hong Kong.
See you later, guys. Bye.
Hi everyone, so we have just checked into our hotel and it's a nice little room. There's 4 of us staying in this room, so there's my little beebs over there. So we've got one king size bed there, one king size bed here. Just give you a quick room tour, TV, and we've got this view out here which pretty much is just blocked, and then we have one toilet here, mirror, hello, some tea, coffee stuff, fridge, a little desk, and then this is the bathroom with a shower, so that's pretty cool. So yes, we're just gonna freshen up a little bit, just chill here for a bit, and then later on we are meeting Kenny, my friend, for dinner, and then probably just have an early night because we're pretty tired after the long flight.
Yeah, and we can have some sweets.
And we're gonna have some sweets and mealworms that we got sniffs on the way here. But yeah, so I will check in a little bit later when we meet Kenny probably. So yeah, so that's probably just gonna be our first day, and then start the full day tomorrow depending on what we're gonna do. So I'll see you later.
Hi, hello guys, I'm vlogging again, and we are got dressed up and we just got on shower, and we actually are gonna go to dinner now, to go to our friends to have dinner too. He's gonna vlog now.
Hi guys, so that was just Phoebe's little debut. Again, we are off out to dinner, and yeah, so it's cool. No, it's fine. Hi guys, so we are at a place called the Noob. I don't know, it's Korean fried chicken with beans and everyone. Got this pancake, noodles, and this amazing looking chicken fondue. It looks so good. You get 2 choices, so we picked barbecue chicken, barbecue, Korean barbecue or something like that, and a garlic soya, and my mum's stirring the cheese. we are currently at the ladies market, getting some bargains. Bees has already made her first purchase. Where's your bag, Bees? Oh yeah, she's got a little LOL bag. We're just browsing, walking along, trying to barter. There's quite a lot of copy designer stuff, as you can see once it focuses, if it does focus. Okay, it's not focusing, but you can see by the kind of D there. But yeah, we're down here. Hi guys, so we are back at the room now. Bees is in bed, and that is the end of day one. Well, kind of half of day one, isn't it? We're going to start again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Bees is going to vlog more tomorrow. She's been enjoying this vlogging life, haven't you, Bees?
Yeah.
Okay then, so we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, that's not a good angle, is it? No.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning and welcome to Hong Kong day 2. Phoebe has been bugging me this morning already to start vlogging because she wants to be involved. So, here we are.
Hello guys.
Stand here because the light's gonna...
Hello guys.
What do you want to say to the vlog today?
We actually are
Look here. Look at here instead of at the top.
okay. We are actually gonna go to McDonald's for breakfast.
We are going to McDonald's for breakfast.
Yes.
And then we are splitting up because you're going somewhere with Mummy.
Yes, and I'm gonna go to the park
to take some pictures at a place called Choi Hong Estate, which is just a little short train ride away. Where I don't know, you've probably seen it on Instagram. Looks like these colourful rainbow-looking blocks. So then we're going to meet back up with these lot later on, and we're meeting my friend Kenny for lunch. Yes. So shall we check back in again later?
Yes.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we've just made it to Choi Hong Estate, Mum in tow. My sister and Phoebe has gone to TST because it's got all dark. My sister wanted to get on the phone, so just walking upstairs to get to the estate to take some pictures, and then we're going to head back to meet them and meet Kenny for lunch. So you'll start to see it now. Yeah. Around. Here we are. So it's pretty easy to locate Choi Hong Station. There's actually loads of people taking pics already, so clearly everyone knows that it's an Instagram spot. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are now at a lunch place called Ichi Ran, which is Japanese ramen and stuff, in the background as usual. Being unsociable on the phone. Anyway, this is how we order. So everyone gets one of these sheets and they just have to select which one you want, etc., and tick it and give it there. So we are currently waiting for my sister and Phoebe and my friend Kenny and his girlfriend to arrive, and we're going to have some lunch together. So I'll show you what the food looks like in a bit.
Hey guys, I'm gonna vlog again.
Are you gonna show us the vlog? This is my vlog. Okay, what are you gonna say?
I actually am eating them now. But we are actually
seaweed.
want to have ice cream in a minute when we're gonna do our actual eating.
You wanna have ice cream after?
Rice, extra garlic,
And
vinegar,
Finished, yeah?
yeah.
Food is here. BB cakes. Hello guys. We are just at Haiti. Beans has got a nice little Oreo sundae. We're just waiting for our very strawberry cheeso. Kenny's there. And Lara. And bees, back to bees. Thanks. Very strawberry cheeso. Hi guys, so we just come back to the hotel for a little rest after walking the Victoria Harbour, and my sister got a new phone and Bibi's been eager to say hi again. She got some new stickers and a load of little other bits and bobs. But yes, we're just having a chill and we're going to go out for dinner and then probably have a little massage tonight. And then that is it. My mum has got to send me my pictures, isn't it, Mum? Yeah. My mum's got to send me my grand pictures. So, yeah, so I'll check in again. All of it? Yes, please. Oh, yeah, kind of, yeah. I'll check in again a bit later. Oh yeah. Hi guys, so Phoebe wanted to vlog again. So I've just put the camera on for her to vlog. Here you go, Bees.
Oh, hi guys. I actually are really gonna go dim sum tomorrow. And we are gonna have some rice for dinner. And so what you are gonna do some words in now, and and my mom actually paid for the tickets to go to see the pandas and rides, and I can go on the rides. And this is my mom. Here, look at the vlog. No, what do you want to say to the vlog, Mom?
Nothing. Go away.
What do you want to say?
No, not all my photos are there.
And this is my Papa. Say hello,
Julie, not all my
Papa.
photos are there today.
Oh no.
She's crazy.
She's crazy.
And I'm actually gonna say what you are gonna do today. But see you later, vlog. Bye.
So we've just come to this local for dinner. I've got black pepper steak rice, my sister has pork chop, Phoebe has macaroni. My sister's got a new phone, she's well excited. But anyway, no more. Hey vlog. Oh, I thought it was you wanted the vlog. Hey guys, so we just finished our massages and Beef, how was your massage?
Oh, good, guys.
Phoebe had, when we finished at the massage place, she came out and she was like, how was everyone's massage? And we were like, what? So she had a little foot soak and a little foot rub, and then that was it for her. But yeah, we're heading back to the hotel now, so I'm going to end today's vlog here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3.
Bye, vlog.
Bye. Bye. Morning everyone, welcome to day 3 of Hong Kong. We have the Beebs getting ready and we are off out for some late breakfast. Today's plan is to stay really local because there is a big protest planned, so we're just gonna play by ear and just stick around here just in case we can't get back because the tube station closes early and the cabs will be super busy. So yeah, so we're just gonna stay around here, but first we are going to get something to eat. So Bees,
And we're gonna go to the park tomorrow.
and we will be going to Ocean Park tomorrow. So yeah, so I'll check in again with you later. I've got my hair in my mouth. See you later.
Bye.
Just popped next door and got some wonton mee. Bibi has fish. Ooh,
You can't use that.
looks really yummy.
Just use that. Okay.
Hi. 係啦，你啱你就過嚟買啊！我買，唔買，我可以買。你買一盒啦，買一盒。係啊，你可以上網搜尋下嘅。我打電話俾我老公先。係啦，我幫佢買一盒。係啊，特別咧，經常捱夜啊、煙酒啊、出外食飯多啊嗰啲人咧，就食下呢個，清下身體啊嘛。係啊。Okay.
I vlog.
Do you want to tell everyone what you're having?
I'm having pizza, Papa having dessert, and I'm having
Mummy's sharing pizza with you and having the crepe. And what are you having?
And you're having a tomato sauce crepe.
Tomato sauce, are you for? Are you for? Are you sure?
Tomato sauce.
Right, okay, I've got something tomato sauce. But what else you need to tell the vlog?
We are actually going to a fun fair tomorrow.
Okay, cool. We'll vlog again tomorrow, yeah?
Bye.
Bye. Hi. Welcome back to the vlog. So we've just had to retreat back to the hotel room because the protest started just as we walked out of the shopping centre. So yeah, we had to get back. The hotel locked their door. But they let us in, and Bibi has been great throughout. She wasn't too bad.
Yeah, and do you know Hong Kong's going to be busted?
But yeah, so we're just staying here now for a while until I don't know whether it's going to die down tonight or not, but hopefully it does, because we want to go out for dinner, right?
Yeah,
there's always trusty Deliveroo.
Yeah, and and it's exciting tomorrow, and we're gonna go to fun fair tomorrow, and then I hope the country is not broken anymore.
Basically, we've been banging on about going to Ocean Park since we basically got here, so we're finally going tomorrow. But anyway, check in again later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, made it out with my bees. Bees, we're back on the vlog.
Hello.
Just here for some food.
Yeah,
At a restaurant next to the hotel because we're not going far. So
and you know vlogs.
our dinner.
And you know vlogs. We actually saw bad guys.
No, it's okay. We don't have to talk about the protest here. But anyway, we're having dinner and heading back to the hotel for an early night. Tomorrow we are off to Ocean Park. This is a nice angle. Just getting a hair wash. These is the same over there. You can see her. I'd like it. She's treating herself to a good old hair wash. Nice angle. Hi.
Hi vlog.
You're getting a little treat.
Yeah.
Loving life.
Yeah. And I have soap on my face.
Are you? Is it comfortable? Is it super?
Yeah, it's like
Okay. Beezus had her hair curled. Turn around, show us the back. Ooh, really nice. Oh, she dropped our crisps. Alright, you're going to go back with Mummy first, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Bye vlog.
Hi guys. So, I've had my hair done. So's Bees. And we just thought we'd check in, let you know, and that we're going to end the vlog now, here, basically. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to Hong Kong Day. What is it? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, day 4. We are off to Ocean Park today.
Yeah, and we're gonna have chicken nuggets.
And we're going to have chicken nuggets. And we should be spending pretty much the most of the day there. Then coming back for dinner, my eyes a bit red. Yeah, we are. Are you excited, Bees?
Yes, and look, may press the subscribe button.
The describe button.
Subscribe. She meant subscribe.
Describe. Oh, my really hot day today. I need to put my sunnies on. But it was a really quick journey actually from where we were in Prince Edward to Ocean Park. It's really easy to get to now. So yeah, ready for a day of fun with the little bees. Bees. So calming. Good old hammerhead shark over there. There it is.
Oh my god.
This panda is loving life. Too cute.
Hello, vlog. What are you doing now?
Riding on a seahorse.
Yes. And what are you doing here, vlog? Press the subscribe button, I can make it.
Press the subscribe button. Hello! Phoebe said I should do the vlog, so I've taken the camera out and we are on the cable car. Peace!
Hello, vlog. We are on the spacecraft.
Anyways, we are on the cable car. There's the beautiful mother. There's the lovely sister. There's the cutie bees. And we are going to the other side where all the rides are. So we've done here in the animal part and on the way. Ready, bees? Here you go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Papa, is this scaredy cat? Papa, is this scaredy cat? Papa, is this scaredy cat? Papa, is this scaredy cat?
Hi, vlog.
And we had taxi.
We are in a taxi. We're going to have dinner with Kenny at the front.
Well, so later on after dinner, you guys will...
Mum and Phoebe's going to go back to the hotel. Me and Julie's going to go off.
And we are actually going to go to Kenny's house after.
No, not today.
Another day, because we're not near Kenny's house.
Yeah, we're not near his house anymore. So we won't be able to go today.
Why?
呢度附近啦，喺呢度啦，咁呢度咯。
咁呢度係嘛？
Because, yeah, because we're back near our hotel now.
Get off.
We are in this dumpling restaurant. This is a century-year-old egg. Looks disgusting, but tastes really nice. There's some more dumplings there, and some more have arrived.
These are yours. The one you
That's
ordered.
Phoebe's dumplings.
Soup that you put into the...
呢個係呢個。
So we've just ordered these pancakes. I didn't realise that they're like massive. Anyway, Mimi's kid free tonight, so we've just decided to treat ourselves. But yeah, I think we'll only be able to eat like one each. Hi guys, so back at the hotel now. I'm gonna talk quietly because Phoebe's sleeping. But that is the end of day 4. So I'll check out. I will end this vlog now, and I will see you again tomorrow for day 5. It was just being out with my sister, do some shopping. I picked up this cool little ring light thing for £20, which was quite cheap. I think it comes like with the whole set, so you got the tripod, the light, the holder for your phone and whatnot. So it's quite a good little set actually, and a few other beauty bits. I'm thinking to do a haul when I get back, like a what I bought in Hong Kong haul, so I'll show you everything I got there. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, gonna have a shower and head to bed, so I'll see you again tomorrow guys. Bye.